Presenting the JBL Live Pro Plus TWS, Adaptive Noise Cancellation Earbuds with Mic, True Wireless Earbuds, up to 28 hours playtime, JBL Signature Sound, 6 mic technology for crystal clear calls, Google Fast Pair, Black. The headphones comes in color options of white and black. It comes with Bluetooth earphones, equalizer settings and TWS earbuds. JBL Signature Sound with enhanced bass, TWS wireless earbuds and 6 mic technology. Perfect call quality, feedback mic and wind suppression and environmental noise reduction. Dual beamforming mics and JBL Live Pro Plus TWS earbuds immediately with your Android mobile device. Activate noise cancellation or ambient aware and TWS earbuds. It has 5 sizes of ear tips. It comes with 7 hours of playback plus 21 hours in the case and battery life for power. It also features TWS Speed Charge, TWS Speed Charge and Qi-compatible wireless charging and preferred voice assistant. Smart ambient settings and much more, fast pair technology and preferred voice assistant using your voice or with a tap on the ear cup. Voice with Hey Google, preferred voice assistants and quick start guide and safety sheet. The delivery box contains JBL Live Pro Plus TWS earbuds, 1 unit of charging case and 5 sizes of ear tips. 1 unit of Type-C charging cable, warranty/warning card and quick start guide and safety sheet. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.